Hi, so this is a quick lesson on how to do sanding, okay? So this is a big block of wood here, and you can see it has the lines going down it like that. Okay, that's called the grain, okay? Now if we get a piece of sandpaper and we sand across the grain, okay, it puts scratches all in the wood. Hopefully you can see the scratches there. Hold it still, okay? So for that reason, we always sand with the lines, okay? So that's the first part about sanding. Now, when you're sanding, you want to make it nice and smooth all the way over, but this edge here, where it's been cut with a saw, is called the aris. And it's really important that we take off the aris. And to do that, we just put our sandpaper at an angle like this, and we just rub it a few times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's softened this edge, and that'll stop you getting any splinters and things like that, okay? So you need to do that for every edge on every block. Okay, next then is how do we hold the sandpaper? Well, we can just get a piece like this, hold it on our hands and rub it back and forward. The other way we can do it is put it onto a bench and we can rub the block back and forward like this on the sandpaper. And then finally, and the way I like best is if you fold the paper into 3 equal parts. So you fold one side in, like so, like that, and then fold the other side over like this. Okay, now that gives you something you can hang on to do sanding. So I normally do my thumb on the bottom, 4 fingers on the top like this, and then look, I can just sand on my edges, like so. Now, you can stop sanding whenever you think it's smooth enough for you, or you can sand loads around the edges all the way over, whatever you want to do. Have fun, bye.